Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning. Problem number 1. Find the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 250 grams of copper block from 20 degrees Celsius to degrees Celsius. Specific heat of copper is 0.1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius. Given data. Mass of copper block M is equal to 250 grams. Initial temperature T1 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Final temperature T2 is equal to 65 degrees Celsius. Specific heat of copper S is equal to 0.1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius. Heat energy required Q is equal to question mark. This is what we have to find. First of all, let us calculate the rise in temperature, which is given by delta T is equal to final temperature minus initial temperature, that means T2 minus T1, which is equal to 65 minus 20, and it is equal to 45 degrees Celsius. The formula is Q is equal to M S delta T. Substituting the values in place of M 250, in place of S 0.1, in place of delta T 45, then on simplification we get 1125. As this is heat energy we have calculated and all the values are substituted in CGS system, these 1125 is the heat energy and is measured in calories. So unit is calories. So the final answer is Q equal to 1125 calories. Problem number 2. Find the final temperature of 150 grams of aluminum cylinder at 15 degrees Celsius when a 2100 calories of heat is given to it. The specific heat of aluminum is 0.2 calorie per gram per degree Celsius. Given data. Mass of aluminum cylinder M is equal to 150 gram. Heat energy given Q is equal to 2100 calorie. Initial temperature T1 is equal to 15 degrees Celsius. Final temperature T2 is equal to question mark. This is to be determined. Specific heat of aluminum is S is equal to 0.2 calorie per gram per degree Celsius. Formula. Q is equal to Ms delta T. Substituting the values 2100 in place of Q, 150 in place of M, 0.2 in place of S, T2 is unknown and 15 in place of T1. Then on simplification, 2100 is equal to 30 into T2 minus 15. Then T2 minus 15 is equal to 2100 by 30. Then T2 minus 15 is equal to 70. Then T2 equal to 70 plus 15 and hence T2 equal to 85. As it is temperature, the unit is degree Celsius. So the final answer is T2 is equal to, the final temperature is equal to 85 degree Celsius. This is the answer. Problem number 3. When 3600 calories of heat is given to a sphere of mass 200 gram, then the temperature of the sphere rises from 32 degrees Celsius to 68 degrees Celsius. Find the specific heat of the material of the sphere. Given data. Mass of the sphere m is equal to 200 gram. Heat energy given Q equal to 3600 calorie. Initial temperature T1 is equal to 32 degrees Celsius. Final temperature T2 is equal to 68 degrees Celsius. Specific heat of sphere S is equal to question mark. This is what we have to find out. Formula is Q is equal to ms delta T. Substituting the values 3600 in place of Q, 200 in place of m, S is unknown and delta T means T2 minus T1, that is final temperature minus initial temperature, that is 68 minus 32. On simplification, 3600 is equal to 200 into S into 36. Then on further simplification, 3600 is equal to 7200 into S. Then S is equal to 3600 by 7200. Then S is equal to 1 by 2. Or in other words, S is equal to 0.5. As it is a specific heat and we have substituted all the values in CGS units, and the unit for specific heat will be calorie per gram per degree Celsius. So the answer is the specific heat of the given material is S is equal to 0.5 calorie per gram per degree Celsius.